enhance your speaking and listening skills for better learning. Repeat each sentence after me. G. Hey, how have you been? Emma. I have been good, thanks. How about you? G. I have been pretty busy with work. What have you been up to lately? Emma. Not much, just the usual. I did start a new hobby though. G. Oh, really? What is it? Emma. I have started learning how to play the guitar. G. That's awesome. How's it going so far? Emma. It's challenging but fun. I'm getting better every day. G. That's great to hear. We should hang out sometime and you can show me what you have learned. Emma. I'd love that. How about this weekend? G. Sounds perfect. Let's plan for it. Now let's talk about weekend plans. G. Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend? Emma. Not yet. Do you have something in mind? G. I was thinking of going to the new cafe that just opened downtown. Want to join? Emma. Sure. I have heard good things about that place. What time were you thinking? G. How about Saturday at 11 a.m.? Emma. That works for me. Should we invite anyone else? G. Yeah, let's ask Sarah and Mike. They might be interested too.